Hi children, how are you all? Today's topic EVS material around us. So many materials in the world. So listen children, we will see one by one.
Materials around us. We use many kind of materials in our life. Nature is the source of all of them. Example, tree. From these natural resources, man makes many materials. Example, wooden, blanks, which are used to make many others things. Example, wooden basket. Source of natural materials. The sources of natural materials are plants, animals, rocks and soil. Wood. Why do we make windows and cupboards from wood? Wood is strong material, so furniture can be made from it. It is long lasting. It can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. Wooden pieces can be joined together to make many useful things. So, it is long lasting. It can be cut. Activity. Answer in detail. Describe wood. Wood is a strong material, so furniture can be made from it. It is long lasting. It can be cut into pieces and can be given different shapes. Wooden pieces can be joined together to make many useful things. Using some tools, tree trunk are cut into wooden long and blanks. Rubber. Do you know from what material to erase it made? Rubber is made from the sharp, milky substances of the rubber tree. Rubber is elastic, so rubber band are made from it. It is also waterproof, so hand gloves are made from it. Elastic comes back to its original shape after being stretched. Waterproof does not allow water to enter inside. Waterproof does not allow water to enter inside. The following things are also made of rubber: slipper, eraser, mat. Fiber. Fiber is a material obtained from both plants and animals. Cotton and jute are the fibers got from the plant. Wood and silk are fibers obtained from animals. Plant fiber, animals fiber. Cotton, jute, silk, then wool. What are they? Cotton, jute, silk, wool. The jute fiber is long, shiny and strong. Silk is the strongest natural fiber. We make many things like bags, mats and saris from these fiber. Wool keeps us warm, so sweaters, caps and shorts are knit using it. Later is flexible, so belt, watch, then straps and bags. Clay. Clay is the natural material. It is a type of soil. When it mixed with water, it becomes soft. It hardest as it dried. So, pots and other things can be made from it. A potter used his tool, the potter's wheel, to make clay pots and other things. To make clay pots and other things. Metal ore materials got from metal ores. Example, gold, silver, iron and copper. For example, aeroplane, paperclip, gold bangles, then steel vessels, aluminium vessels and copper vessels. So, material can be shaped into any form, small, paper clips or a huge aeroplane. All the objects are made of different kinds of materials: metals, wood, sand, clay, stone. What are they, ma? Metal, wood, clay, sand and stone. We make many things from wood: pencil, cricket bat, chair, door, toy, matchstick, bookshelf, then ladder. Pencil, cricket bat, chair, door, bookshelf, toy, matchstick, ladder. Clay. Small pieces of rock, soil and dried leaves. Clay, small pieces of rock, soil and dried leaves. Many things can be made using clay: bricks, pot, clay stove, lamp and roof tiles. Hand substance found on earth: stone, limestone, pebbles, marble, redstone, graphite. Mahabalipuram is well known for stone sculptures. Pebbles, we play with it. Used to make floors and buildings: marble stone. For example, Taj Mahal. Used to make roads: gravel. Used in many buildings: redstone, jewelry, gems, red fort. For example, red fort. We will see the another one: broken pieces of rock. For example, sand, cement and buildings. We made from the buildings sand. Sand is used to making glass. Beautiful sculptures, then sand art. Sand clock, used to measure time in the olden days. Metals, hard and shiny material. We use metals in our daily life. For example, ring, vessel, tap, car, wire, coin. Materials around us. What are they? Wood, clay, sand, stone, metals. Children, have you understood today's topic? We will see the next class. Thank you for your listening.